Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to find your user ID in OnceHuman. If you want to link your accounts, claim Twitch drops, find friends or customer support, in that case you will need to find your user ID. So here in this video, we'll learn how to do it exactly. First of all, launch open OnceHuman game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right corner. Now from the menu that appears on the screen, click Settings, and inside Settings, go to the bottom right and click User Center. Inside User Center, you will see your user ID right underneath your name at the top of the screen. This user ID is a numerical ID which will be required when linking your OnceHuman account on the official Twitch drop page. You can write down the user ID in a piece of a paper or take a screenshot of your user ID. So that is how you can easily find your user ID in OnceHuman game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.